Today we are going to consider another example. This is our factorization. Now we have to solve this equation x squared minus 7x minus. Now remember that this is a new thing, minus 7 and minus 7. We have both minus in this question. When there will be both minus, what type of factor you will take? Now step identify. It is a quadratic equation. We can identify. Now listen to x square. We have coefficient 1. Again we are considering coefficient x. A is equal to 1 and b is minus 7, and our third coefficient value is also negative. Now what will be their steps? First step 2 we have considered, it is a quadratic equation. Now we need two factors, two numbers that multiply gives you minus 18 and add to give you minus 7. Now you can observe that there is a minus in both sides, so your factor must be one positive and other should be negative. Here in center we have a negative sign, so your bigger factor must be negative and smaller factor must be positive. Then it means there will be a subtraction will be going on. We say add, but actually the subtraction is going on. So consider we have 9 2s are 18, minus 9 and plus 2. When you subtract or you can say when you add minus 9 plus 2, you will get minus 7, because bigger number has minus negative sign, so you will get minus 7. And when you multiply, you will again minus 9 multiply by plus 2 will give you minus 18. So one thing you must remember, that when there is negative at the end or C term, then you should use factors that one should be negative and other should be positive, and which is positive and which is negative you have to decide from x values or center values. Minus, if there is center there is a minus, you will choose bigger factor has a minus, and if there is positive, suppose 7 but positive, then you will choose 9 has positive and 2 has a negative. So this thing you must remember. Now let's move to the step 3. Step 3, again we will write these factors, minus 9x and plus 2x minus 18. Again you can make brackets or group the terms, and we have first group and the second group. We have broken 3 terms into 4. This is the rule of factorization. 9x. Now x square minus 9 is the first group, 2x minus 19. Remember that here 2 is plus, so you will not take you can take plus outside easily, but you will not change this sign. This sign will change only when the first number is negative. So now the next thing you see that there is an x square and there is x, so x is common, so I will take x1 outside, and I will take 1x outside. X square will remain x, and 9 only remains because x we moved outside. Now you can check it by multiplying, you will get same thing, x multiplied by x, x square, and x multiplied by divided x. Now again you see that there is a 2 is common between these two, because when you take 2 outside there will be no 2 here. Okay, now this 18 must have 2. Now break it, or you can simply divide it. 2 9s are 18, so you 2 is outside and we will write 18, we will write 9 only. Now the next, again you see that x minus 9 is the same bracket is here and same bracket is here. Now take it outside. I mean that you can write first x minus 9. Now this x minus we have removed. Now what will is remaining? X. So write it into another bracket, that is x, now second bracket, and you have removed x minus 9 because we have taken the common. Now there is a plus 2, so you will take plus and. Now the solution is either and or. Step 4 we will write x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to, this will give you, shift this 9 to the 0, you will get plus 9, and x towards the you will get minus 2. This is a minus 2, remember that. Now these are the factorize second type of question. So most students can use example to solve these. So in comments you will get write anything you like. X is 9121 and you can solve. Most students make when it is ABCD or digital you get right. Comment below. Would you like to thumbnail? Now this is the answer. Allah.